Hi there guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to simply download Elementor. Stick around till the end. Go ahead, in the left dashboard, click on Plugins. And then click on Add New. Right here, you will be prompted with this page. In the top right corner, search Elementor. Click on Search. Make sure that you're searching using a keyword, and here it is. Make sure that it is by Elementor.com. Those are not Elementor. Keep in mind that those are add-ons. They add to Elementor, but they really are not Elementor. Click on Install Now. Now that you have installed Elementor successfully, click on Activate. Right after that, you will be prompted to create your account. Click on Create My Account. It's going to give you a prompt to enter your email, address, and password. Make sure that you really please don't use any random password, and make sure that you are using a randomly generated password, not something related to you personally or your family. So let's say that you created the account. I'm going to click on here. Now you can start with a hello theme. A hello theme is basically a theme that says hello, and it's just when you have no content whatsoever. So you can click with continue hello theme, but I recommend you to skip. So now let's give your site a name. So for me, I'm going to be giving my site the following name, the same name of the domain name. So then I'm gonna click on next. Here I'm gonna drop my logo if I have any. I'm gonna click on skip, and then I'll be added to blank canvas with Elementor editor or browse templates. I'm gonna click on here to browse some of the templates so I can own one of them. Click again, and if this doesn't load up, make sure that you already signed up. So I'm gonna click on skip again, and I'm good to go. I've successfully set it up my Elementor, and that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.